I'm Steve, Sales Engineer for Logitech Australia. Thank you for joining me through our unboxing series where we're looking at solutions from your meeting space all the way to your desktop. In this video, we're going to look at the Rally Bar Mini, your all-in-one solution for your small meeting room. The Rally Bar Mini is your all-in-one solution for your small meeting room. It can be used as a USB device for your Windows-based deployments. It can also be used utilizing the onboard Collab OS to run Microsoft Teams Room on Android or Zoom Room on Android. The Rally Bar Mini has a 4K pan, tilt and zoom camera built in, along with a 6-element microphone beamforming array and speakers. Here we have some literature including the manual, and here we have the Rally Bar Mini. This is everything you get in the Rally Bar Mini box. Of course, you get the Rally Bar Mini itself, you get the manual, you get the power supply, you get a privacy cover and a remote control, you get the power cable for the power supply, you get a USB-A to USB-C cable and also a HDMI cable. The Rally Bar Mini features a 4K pan, tilt and digital zoom camera. It is a 4x digital zoom, and it also features a secondary AI camera which assists in the right sight feature and right sight 2, where we can have group framing and also speaker tracking. Inside the Rally Bar Mini, there is a 6-element beamforming microphone array to ensure that the right person is heard at the right time. And the Rally Bar Mini also has speakers that have been inspired by our Rally series as well. Looking at the back, we'll have our familiar cover if you've seen our Rally Bar. If we just undo these screws, you'll see our famous purple cable retention. Here we also have a HDMI input. We have 2 HDMI outputs, and we have a USB-C connection for when this device is used as a USB device for your Windows-based or your PC-based deployment. On the other side, you will find 3 USB-A connections for connections such as our tap. You will also find our MicPod connection for external microphones. The Rally Bar Mini can have up to 2 Rally MicPod expansion microphones. And you will find the power jack as well. We're going to start by connecting the USB-C directly to the USB-C port on the back of the Rally Bar, which is located under the network port right here. From here, you can route your cable through our cable management and let it wait until we get to the next part. Next, we need to connect the DC power barrel to the power connection, which is located up here above the USB ports. From here, we can route the cable down and replace the cable cover, making sure only to nip up the thumb screws finger tight. Let's not forget to plug in the cloverleaf power adapter to the cable and plug it into the wall. Lastly, this other end of the USB cable connects directly to your PC or meeting room PC. On your Rally Bar Mini, you will notice there are 3 buttons on the back. Starting from the right, we have our power button. In the middle, we have our Bluetooth button, used for pairing new remote controls, or is a quick access for Collab OS settings. And we also have a reset button here that is used to reset your unit or automatically send log files to our pro support team in the event that they need to see some files. Here's the Rally Bar Mini remote. You will notice it's actually magnetically attached to a dock, which can be stuck to a wall using the supplied 3M adhesive on the back. Don't forget with your remote control to pull the battery tab to activate the remote control. On the remote, you will see a whole bunch of buttons. Starting on the top, we will have our camera control. In the middle, we have a selection button and also acts as a home position button for your camera. We have a hang up call button and a return button. We have a mute microphone button. We have a volume rocker and also a zoom rocker for your digital zoom. And lastly, we have a camera position button where you can program your own position or home position for your camera. Also included is a camera privacy cover. You use this when you want to make sure that your meetings are indeed private when you're not in a video conference. For that extra bit of confidence that your meetings are private. Thank you for joining me while we've gone through an unboxing and also a setup of our solutions that cover everything from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. If you want more information on the products we've talked about in this video or any other videos, please see the links in the description below. Head over to www.logitech.com and check out some more of our great products. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting subscribe and the bell button so you can be notified when more videos come out. Thank you very much for joining me. My name's Steve. Until next time.